Scott from Knoxville, Tennessee writes to me, I've converted my 1985 Kenwood KM105 to Bluetooth using a WIM Plus for pool music. The AB switch causes the sound to fade in and out when the buttons are wiggled, and removing and replacing the WIM RCA cable sometimes restores the sound. This suggests a connectivity or switch issue. What is the most likely cause of this intermittent fading, and what is the best repair or cleaning procedure of this type of old mechanical switch in a vintage amplifier? Who gave me this question? Get a new amp, man. Whoa, an old Kenwood? You can pick up something. I mean, I just get a new amplifier. All right. So mechanical switches, you know, over time they can just die. And you can spray the crap out of them. I mean, there's all kinds of good spray stuff. You can take them apart. I've done that before. But at one point, you have to remember that a switch is two pieces of metal scraping against each other, right? And over time, over the number of years and the number of click, 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 you wear the metal out. Just like any mechanical anything. That's the problem with mechanical stuff. It doesn't last forever. It wears out. So your choices really are to replace the switch, which you may or may not be electronically capable of doing, because you're going to, if it's on a PC board, which it probably is, you're going to have to find that exact switch. You're going to have to figure out how to suck the old part off without damaging the PC board. You're going to have to find the replacement switch. They probably don't make that switch anymore. I mean, on and on and on. Now, I've seen people that are so committed to their vintage Kenwood this or that for whatever reason. I'm not a vintage guy. I don't, to me, that's just an old piece of stuff, and it's like, get it out of here. That's just me. You would never call me a sentimental kind of guy. I'm just not that person. Sorry. But for those of you that are, one of the things you can do, if you can, and the chance of finding that switch is almost nil. If you can find somebody to help you, pull that switch off of the circuit board carefully without damaging the circuit board. Find a decent click, click, click switch. You can get them anywhere. Install it in there, not PC mount, and then run wires to the PC board and to the switch. I mean, I could do it in an hour or two, and some technician could do that as well. So that's probably your best bet. I mean, you can spray it, you can do it all, but at the end of the day, those mechanical switches, they just wear out, and you gotta replace it. So have fun with your vintage equipment. Take it easy. Bye.